Hey guys, Ashley here and welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome if you are new here. Don't forget to subscribe. So as you guys can see, that's the baby. As you guys can see in today's overview, we are showing my couch some love that is greatly needed. So I hope you need some motivation today to clean out your couch today, as bad as mine looks. We'll be also hand washing some dishes, picking up the kitchen, tidying up the areas in today's video. So if you need some motivation to clean an area in your house, this is the video for you guys. Enough chit-chatting. I will pop out in and out when needed or necessary. And let's get started, guys. So I guess I didn't press record when I took the cushions off of this couch, but as you can see, I have started vacuuming out the couch, and after I'm done with this side, I move on to the next side of the couch and vacuum the carpet.
I feel so strange thinking about you after all the wrong you've done to me. I can't go on feeling like I do, 'cause my heart loves you. Don't waste my time, 'cause someone like me you'll never find. I thought we had a good thing. I was wrong, and now I must move on, yeah. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before. Baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. 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 Of you trying to play me out, baby. Of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, baby. Of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, to another love, one that I can trust. With my heart, I know she'll never run away. Just can't talk no more, so I'm out the door. Talk to me, why you wanna play that game? I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before. Baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. More of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more, baby. More of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more, baby.
So there wasn't much for me to really do in here besides just, put things back to where they belong and wipe down the dining room table quickly. But after this, guys, we move on to the kitchen, so stay tuned for that. So I finally got myself some gloves, guys, but sad news is I'm allergic to them, but I still keep using them. I tend to get a rash on my hands. The main reason why I wanted to get them was because the gel polish doesn't come off, won't come off so easily. But I'm just gonna try and get all these dishes out of here and scrub down both sides of the sink, and then we get into washing these dishes. Also, if you are new here and you still haven't yet, please subscribe, and if you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Alrighty, so who is ready for some hand washing dishes? Let's get in this and let's get it over and done with, because I do have quite a bit to wash. So let's get started, guys.
Smell her on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone smell her on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender to you. Oh, you locked down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing can keep us apart. I surrender to you. Oh, you locked down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing can keep us apart.
So, done with the dishes. So, we're moving on to the countertops, the top of the stove, above the stove against the wall, and the rest of the countertops over here also, guys. So, let's finish up this kitchen and get it all clean and hopefully let it stay clean for the rest of the day. Let's continue on finishing this kitchen. So that will wrap it up for today's video. Please let us know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And once again, if you are new here and you haven't yet, please subscribe. Help this channel grow, guys. Share it out also to family and friends. And thank you so much for choosing to watch my video today, guys. It means more than you will ever know. I will see you next week. See Courtney on Saturday. Bye, guys.